Hello, I am going to show how to install XAMPP server and from where you can download XAMPP server. Go to Google and search by XAMPP. You will be taken to the Apache Friends website. Click on here and you will be taken to the home page. From here you can download XAMPP or you can go to the download section. You can download XAMPP for Windows or Linux or Mac operating system. I am using Windows and this version I have installed on my computer. After installing the XAMPP server, you can easily run it. The installation process is very easy. You can just double click on the exe file and next. This way you can install XAMPP on your computer. After XAMPP install on your computer, you can start it using the start button. Okay, this way. So you see that the Apache and MySQL will be started, and then your local computer is ready to run your PHP files.